Hi, welcome to Python Fundamentals. I am Amrullah Khan and over the coming modules I will guide you through the basics of Python programming language. Python is a big language and a single course can't possibly cover everything there is to know about. But this course will serve you well as a solid foundation to become productive with Python. Starting from this module, we will give high-level overview of Python, what it is and what is so great about it. And also, we will give bird's eye view of this course so that you will know what's to come. Come join us. Programming is fun again.